what's up? I did the 96. It look like they might be selling. I don't know. If this is that, hold on. Yeah. So we can already take profit if you want to, but I don't want to just take profit. I want to be able to catch that full move. Yep. Selling pressure still strong. Uh. Okay. It fell back below that 9. And if you want to, I'll just move this up. Pick a charge. Double. Hurry up. Oh, this shit too easy. Oh, this shit too easy. Two bands. Like, I know you see a secret. I know you see it. Yeah, I'm back testing. Beer sipping, cow tipping, getting pipping, I want to catch the reverse of it though. Okay, so we sell enough. We sell enough. Price still has to come back up, and this is all we see on a monthly. But if I want to just if I want to catch the reverse, all I gotta do is catch the derivative. Ooh, look at it! Look, we in there. We in there. I'm in there. Just like that, I'm in there. It hit the 200 derivative. I'm in there. Hold on. Yeah, I'm in there. You could put stop loss here. I don't want to. I'll put stop loss here. We'll try it out. Matter of fact, I could put it down. Just put my shit right there. What's up? We gonna go to play me. They got the 5-star bitches. They got a trap and going crazy. They could go try to play me. Buying pressure still strong. Look at that. You could just take profit if you really want to. The main hoe. No, they not. You not going back down there, bro. They not going down there. You not going back down there. Yeah, you not going back down there. Oh, this shit too easy. Jimmy, how to start trading? You just start. Just a week ago, I tried to put I do got a great mentor. Huh. W Secrets. I don't mean, turn me into a motherfucking monster, bro. This shit too easy, bro. This shit too easy, bro. I don't even want to really move my take profit up because I see it flushing through. But ain't it respect it. Come on. Respect my 96. Come on. Give me that. This shit getting too easy, bro. That's what we keep saying, bro. We just need one good trade, bro. One good trade, and I'm not my funded account is never going negative again, bro. I just need one good trade. You could paper trade on TradingView. Yeah, we gonna get it, bro. This shit too easy, bro. This shit is this shit getting way too easy, bro. Let me not say that. Let me not jinx it, but oh, this is gold, by the way, as well. That you're looking at. I'm practicing just. I'm gonna go to another time zone. Price is bullish. This is the daily chart right here. And when you look at stuff like this, just go to a higher time frame. You see how you go to your weekly, it starts to make sense. Shit, hold on, I gotta turn this up. Oh, this shit long. This shit is long. I think this shit going long. Just looking at it, if I'm looking at price right now, I think it's still going long. I'm gonna take it. Letter to the bank. I got Oh, I can enter better on the weekly. Hold on. Hold on. Let me get in on the weekly. Watch it be on the 37, bro. What I say? I'm in there. It still gotta go. It hasn't went down to the 50% yet, so I could wait, but I don't see it coming back down here. The lowest it will go is here. This shit too easy, bro. This shit's way too easy. This shit too easy, bro. Hold on, I gotta replay this song. This shit hard. Hold on, bro. You sure about that, Chris? Oh me, bro. This shit too easy, bro. I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it, bro. Price in the downward momentum. Oh, price is bullish. Hold on. Price is bullish. Price is bullish. Oh, I'm in there. You're not going back down there, bro. No. No. No way. I'm back in there. I'm not taking profit. I'm in there. I want it. You're not going back down there, bro. Oh. No. Bro. You do not want to go back down there, bro. If you somebody who like to take profit, bro, you could take profit. But on my swing trades, I want my swing trades just to go. Hold on. I ain't even run my other levels. Hold on. There we go. Bro. They want to play so bad. I'm not taking profit. I'm in there again. I'm in there again, bro. Do not do that. Look at. Go up there. Keep like. I know you want to push up there. I'm not taking profit. Just go. Price want to play like it don't want to really go up there, bro. Go up there. Go. This is why I don't. And this is why I just let my trades just run, bro. It don't matter if you lose, because if you lose, it's small. Then when you win, you make profit every time, bro. So, always feel free to take your profit. Like if I'm at my funded account, I'll be taking profit through all these, like all my stuff. But when I'm swing trading, I want it. I want it. Yeah, you can watch price. Look. Then I can watch price as it moves up. Boom. Boom. Price should still be back long. Price should be leaving this area. Yeah. The furthest I see it go down is maybe the 88. Then, but everything after that, I should see it longer. It went down to 100, not to 88. I don't see it keep going back down there. It should be getting up out of there. They playing around with this price movement right here. And what? We lost $4,000 in those two trades we lost trying to catch it, but we made $14, so we still made $10,000 profit. That's what I'm saying. Like when you lose, when you confident and know, like when you confident, enter your play again. Enter your play again. Don't get discouraged. Enter your play again, bro. Always have good risk management. But enter your play again. I'm gonna trade him you. All right. If I don't see anything, like this is my monthly time frame, right? This is my 4 hour. Like only thing I'm gonna say, like if you don't really see much on your lower time frames, like if it's kind of hard for you to read, then go to your higher time frame. It's the same process. Then just do top down. Start at the top, then just move down. Hold on. Let's see a price bullish. Yeah, price still bullish. Cause look. Well, hold on. I think this is that accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Or accumulation, manipulation. Okay, here it is. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, immediate reversal. Price still bullish. I think the part right here that's kind of confusing me right here is that I have this higher low here. I'm trying to think, is that my order block? Okay, let's go to the monthly. I just need to figure out if that's the real order block so I can know where to run my level. Oh yeah, I'm in there. Yep, I'm in there. I'm in there. I'm in there. And remember, these would be like my swing trades. So trades that I'm swinging. This shit too easy, bro. And what is this? Look, stop loss is good every single time, bro. I want it though. So I don't want to take profit though. I just like to just see it go. But you can move it up. Move it up like you was going to break even. Whatever you want to do. But if you did want to do it, I will put, well, with the way my entry is, I probably wouldn't have moved it yet, but Yeah. Uh, yeah. So boom, right when price. What the hell was that? What? I don't know what the fuck that just what just happened. But boom, we'll just close that out. So right when price came down, you would have broke even, or you would have took profit early. Whatever you want to do. I don't really care. But I'm back in there though. Yeah, I'm back in there, bro. What just happened? Do I teach? A little bit. I don't really teach as much as I used to. I plan on starting a mentorship. That's why I really don't teach as like do as much as I used to. But but yeah, if you got any questions, feel free to ask whatever you want to ask. But yeah, this would be like like again like my swing trades. If I was in my like if I was on my funded account, then of course I'm taking profit. I already be taking profit. But on my swing trades, like I'll take some profit, but I'll leave that runner. So my take profit on these are basically like my swing trade runners, and I want to see my trades hit. So like that first initial trade run up, yeah, we making 1,000, 2,000. Okay, cool. But I want that full move. So if I just can tweak little things, or maybe it's like, okay, maybe it's two moves. Maybe that first move I take profit, that second move I just re-enter to play again, like I'm doing now. So that's what I'm trying to get better at doing. Just knowing like, okay, like how should I really play it? Like when price all up there, you can take that. You can go ahead and take the profit. Go for it. But when I'm back testing, I don't really care about that. I want to see my full. I want to see my move. This overall move is still up, and I'm gonna be right back in there. Mm-mm. Hold on. What am I looking for? What am I looking for? What am I looking for? Hold on. Yep, 50. Yeah, I still see it. I still see it. I just gotta find my right level. And you lose so small, like it doesn't matter, because every time we win, like every time you win so much. Yeah, yeah. What am I missing? What am I missing in this move here? What am I missing in my move? Okay, okay. Let's go relook at like our weekly levels, our daily levels. Mmm. I gotta spit my water. Okay, like, we just had an AMD set up here, accumulation manipulation. So the move is gonna go higher, but right now, this whole move that I'm trying to go under, I'm underneath my EMAs. So if I would have just went down to my weekly, I would have saw, well, price is under your EMAs. The momentum is still down. The momentum isn't up just yet. I initially caught the move here. The momentum was initially up, but if I just would have went down on my time frames, I would have saw this rejection that we were having on my EMA. Now, the only thing I do here to catch the reversal. Boom. I can run that level there. Oh, yeah. I'm in there again, bro. Hold on. And just like that. That's all you do, bro. And if I wrong again on this move, that's it. Yeah. Yeah. I keep seeing this move. I want this move. I want this move upward. But I'm trying to figure out like because it's going to my zones, it's going to my levels that I like, it's going to my zones that I like. The one thing that I'm missing is that it's under my EMA. So the question would be like, okay, if I'm going to take this trade, would I have to just wait till I'm above my EMA to take the trade? Or can I still look at my derivatives and still trying to catch that move? Hopefully that makes sense if y'all watch me. What song you want, Harvey? And what's the word, Harvey? Yo, do you disclose how much the fund in the live is? Do you disclose how much the funded in the live is at? Oh, yeah, my funded, I'm down right now. I'm down, like, I took my first trade, I took a L on my funded. I'm down like 500. Like, it was kind of like one of these moves. Like, I was looking for a move. I ran my fib a certain way and lost money on my move. I took a L like 600. Then I took another L. I was down like 1,500 on my funded account my first day, bro. But then I was like, okay. Then I took my other trade and I made my money back because I'm like, there's no fucking way I'm missing something. So that's why I always say when you lose your trade, bro, you lose at a small amount. But like when you lose, it sucks. But stay calm and keep your composure because I could have had bad composure and I could have blown my funded. But no, what did I do? You kept. I was mad. I was pissed. But you really just keep a level head and you just go back into it. Oh, what song you wanted too, Harvey? What song did you want? What song did you want? I feel like it was this one. Just say yes or no. No. Mitch, I appreciate your follow. Sir, I appreciate your follow. Was it this song? Yes, it is. It was a song. So is this one? Yeah. This shit hard, bro. Hopefully you got the name of it when I put it up. And right on for showing some support, Harvey. Appreciate you. Harvey was the first person I followed on my account. But that'd be hard. Hold on. I'll be right back, y'all. Hold on. I ain't done. I'll be right back. Morning, love, baby. My shit dead. My shit dead. Okay, I'm missing something on this move. So what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna move time frames. Go through my time frames, see what I see until I get a better overall picture. Uh-huh. Yeah. That pullback is way uh-huh. That's a really deep pullback. A really, really deep pullback. Oh, if I would have just looked at price too, if I just want to move time frame, price is making lower highs. When I was entering, price was making lower highs. But this looked like the move. Mm-mm. Bro, I know I'm not tripping, bro. I still see the same move. Like I still see the same play. I still see it. We right in this order block too. That's the thing. We right in this order block. And so where prices stopped at, I don't like it hasn't created a low, it hasn't did anything. But if I just match my zones up, these are reversal levels that we're at. It don't matter, bro. It's still overall be up. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. I remember these are all swing trades. So like if you in the combine or whatever you're doing, you feel free to take profit. Like you can have your take profit set and stuff like that. But I just want to get better at like at catching these derivative plays, like making sure that I'm entering in at my right levels, making sure I'm running my field right. So that's what I'm looking for. I want to make sure I got my a good take profit, my good a good level, everything. Rhea, I appreciate your follow. I'm trading gold, MGC. And like I said, feel free to always take your profit. I can move my stop loss up. And this is why I keep saying trust your move. What happened? I took 2 or 3 L's before I finally caught the move that I wanted to catch. But that's the thing. Like when I lose, you lose small. But when you win, your winners win. Trust your move. Trust what you see. I saw the move. I just need to move time frames. I just need you to move up time frames so I can see the overall picture of the move. That's all it is, bro. Now we look right up. This shit probably gonna keep going. Yeah. And inched up there a little bit. But how do you catch a reversal? Oh my god. Just like this. It's just like that. That's how you catch that shit. How do I catch that reversal? All you have to do is that. How do I catch my re-entry? Oh my god. Just like this. I want to come down a little bit more. I don't want to be in there yet. I want it lower. Come lower. Come lower. Come lower. I don't want it. Now I want it. Now I'm in there. The lowest it goes is my 50. The lowest it goes is my 50. The lowest it goes is here. That's why you don't get in too early. Look at that shit. Perfect entry. Oh, this shit too easy, bro. We on they ass, bro. Alright, let's go to a different time frame. You didn't chair Rex. You ain't got no stomach. I appreciate you, real. Yeah, this is Futures. I appreciate your follow. I'm just back testing right now, just switching time. Here, y'all can pick a time frame. Like, just pick a random date. Let me know, though. I don't mind, like, random times. Just give me a random time or something to back test. It just helps me get better. Oh, no, this is back testing right now. I do have a funded, though. Yeah, the market is closed. I'm just back testing, replay testing right now. Replay. The market closed. I'm just back testing right now. I just click random, go to random time frames and just back test, practice your strategy. Yeah, I'll be trading live. Price is in a sell model. Look, price is in an uptrend. Look, we made a higher low here. What do? We failed to make a higher high, but that's not the problem. The problem is failing to make a higher low. That's that change of structure. The change of structure isn't this high to me. I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about this low. We took out this low and created a low. Then we created a lower high. So price is going lower. So where am I looking to catch this? I'm looking to catch this. I'm looking to probably catch a 113 or 200% trade. And all you got to do is this. Watch this, bro. Watch this. I want it lower. I don't want it yet. If it goes higher, cool. But I want it lower. Where'd it go? It went to my 88. Uh-huh. It went down. It went to the 37. But I don't think the 37 is the real move here. I think it goes lower to the 50. I could be wrong. Yeah. I think price about the loan. Yep. Okay. You don't get your deep retracement. So only thing price did here, this is what you do. When I run my level, look, I was expecting price to come back down to my 50% at least because we create this higher low. So I wasn't looking for my 37% buy, but price gave us a 37% buy. Oh, it's an inverse head and shoulder too. Price is long. Price is long. Yeah, I think price is long. It's an inverse head and shoulder too. And watch price come down and take out this, come all the way back down there like I thought it was gonna do. That's an inverse head and shoulder. Price should be out of there. And what the fuck I say? this shit too easy, bro. Secrets, bro. See, cause you created a beast, bro. I know this freaking Dom. The execution should be in the way. Can you backtest like that on Top Step? I'm about to do the same. No, you can't. No, you can't. The inverse head and shoulders right here. You got to shrink your price scale. Look at it. Look at it. We on they ass, bro. You created a freaking monster, bro. I'm trying to find the head and shoulders tool. Oh. Look at it. Inverse head and shoulder. On they ass. We on they ass. That shit light work, bro. You got an inverse head and shoulders paired up with my fib? Nigga, what? And I'm not in that trade? I got an inverse head and shoulder and you at my fib? Look at that. What? We in there. We in there. That's a home run. Alright, let's go to a different time frame. This is May 16th. Price is in a sale. What's the word, H? I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you. I hope you had a blessed morning, too. Hold on, yeah. Hold on. Hopefully they head and shoulder made sense, bro. Hopefully you see it.
I didn't want to say it on stream, like in front of his chat, because I was embarrassed. But some of the exercises made me feel like I was gonna come.
Really? Oh my god, that's
Like
so
it hurt so good, but I just couldn't like.
Thank gosh. So it's like it was like a feeling you've never felt before.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Wow.
It's a couple golden levels on my field, bro. 200, the 113, the 70. 37 to 50. It just depends on what you're looking for and how you run it. But a lot of y'all trade lower time frame, so I would be looking between your 70 and your 113 range. Your numbers between your 70 and your 113. So a lot of y'all be using them lower time frames, so that's what I would be looking for. Sick, you being here, so I don't mind helping you. Like I'll be trying not to help out too much now, bro. I gotta start this mentorship shit. Look, when I was going live a couple months ago, I kept telling you, bro, learn while you can. Learn with me for free. Cause once I become profitable, bro, the mentorship coming, bro. Ain't nothing else for me to. That's it, bro. I don't got nothing else to say. Price is long, but you just have to catch the. You gotta catch the long. Is the problem? Oh, they tried to trick me. I thought this was that order block. Look, when you don't zoom in, that look like a red. This is like a little black doji. Like prices in. I want price to come lower. If it's out of there, it's out of there. Cause it's still, sometimes they like to take off from the 15%, but I would be looking for it to come lower. Just a week ago, gonna try to play me. Hold on. You got that fast? I might not be seeing something. I think price coming lower. Look good. Put them on your ass. If he was TK. No. It didn't go lower. It just continued higher. Yeah. Oh, I can't even press play anymore. I guess we gotta go to a different time. Yeah, I would have missed that trade right there because I would have wanted it to come lower. Yeah, I can't even trade this no more. Let's go to Nas. Let's go to Nas. What's going on? Put him on your ass. Like he was Tiki. Fucking dope law. Like those shit. Come on, bro. Let's get it. Bro, my freaking NASDAQ chart not loading. Let's try something different. Let's go to Forex. I'll trade a. Ooh, I don't mind like back testing like something I never back tested before. Like something random, like a random stock or something. I don't mind back testing that. All right, here we go. Oh, price is long. I don't even gotta look at nothing else. Hold on, yeah. I don't gotta look at nothing, bro. I think price long. Hold on. I'm too good, bro. Oh my god, this shit too easy. I didn't even have to run nothing. I see it. I see it. I saw that shit. So all you gotta do is just take that profit. You could just take that profit. Yup. This shit too easy. Alright, here we go. Price is overall bullish. Oh, I see the buy now. Oh, I'm in there. What? I see it at my level. It's at my level. It's at my level, and I'm not taking that trade. Yeah, right. I'm in that shit. I want it. I'm aiming at the negative 90, the 96 too. Feel free to take profit if that's what you like to do, bro. And just look, look. Word of advice, bro. Especially if you ask me about my fib levels, I told you what levels to be looking for, right? So when you watching me trade, look at the levels I'm telling you to look at, and look how I'm catching my trades off my levels. The answers are right here. Like it's, and just look, just pay attention how I'm running my fib and how I'm doing it, and you will see. And once you start back testing and doing stuff yourself, man, I'm telling you, you'll come up with your own strategy. You'll look at your own levels. You got it, bro. Price shouldn't come back under here. Bruh, we nasty, bro. We're nasty as fuck at this shit, bro. Yeah, I'm just gonna let this run. And if you want to be safe, look, you can be safe if you want to. You can move your stop loss up, whatever you want to do. It don't matter, bro. You can take profit. You can do whatever you want to do. Yeah, I'm on a funded account now. Well, not now, but you know what I'm saying. Price still long. I'm just replay testing right now. I'm just back testing. I don't use the 6-1. I don't use the 618. I use a similar level, but I don't use the 618. I mean, this level not even right. Hold on. I don't even think that's my other level. I think that's my 63. I think that level for me is my 63. Former 3, I appreciate you. I mean, you know what replay testing is. Back testing is. I'm gonna move my level back actually to where I had it. But yeah, the 618. A lot of times, a lot of people get on there. Like when you enter your 618, a lot of people think that 618 is that golden level or the golden entry, bro. That's like entering in. That 618 is like entering in at the 50% of your field. That you ain't nothing, or entering in at accumulation. You ain't nothing but you about to get swept. You ain't nothing but liquidity, cause that move that you're entering in on ain't the real move. Yep. You could do the 60%. You could do the 63. You could do the 618. It don't matter what number you pick right there. You just gotta know how to understand it and how to read it, cause you gonna see it on the 60, the 63, and the 618. You just need to understand that level isn't that true. You just gotta understand what level what that level really is. You shouldn't be looking for that level as an entry. You should be looking for that level as in, oh, this what we retail, but this is what a retail entering in at. This is where they ain't nothing but manipulation right there. And look, prime example right here of why I don't use fair value gaps 50% to enter my trades. This is where y'all get wiped out at. You see this fair value gap right here? This is how y'all get wiped out every single time, bro. A lot of y'all see this fair value gap right here. Oh my god, yeah, fair value gap price. When price comes back down 50%, I'm gonna enter the trade. It sounds good, right? But this is where y'all miss. The 50% isn't the entry. You ain't none, bro. You ain't nothing but liquidity. Just look at the fib levels that I talked about, and just look where price goes. I haven't even looked at this, bro. This is the random time frame. Just look at where the fib. Just look. Look. And look at the levels. You see how you enter in? Look. Just look at this shit. You see if you would have entered into the 60% and the 50% of the fib, how you would have got wiped the fuck out? Look. Just look at it, bro. Oh. Here it is. So when you entering in, when y'all entering at the 50 and the 618, look. When y'all enter in right here, I enter in down here. I'm entering in down here. Then I'm catching that move. So even if you would have caught it right here, you still late to the play. That's still a great entry. But that's why you be careful. You gotta know how to enter on your fib. I mean on your fair value gap. Because y'all mark out a fair value gap, and I bet you see multiple fair value gaps here. You don't even know which one it's going to, do you? I bet you don't. Cause you don't need, like, you gotta know your levels as well. You gotta know which one is the most profitable fair value gap. Like, which one is the most likely where price will go to. The first fair value gap is what? It's in my 50 to 60% range. What did we just say? Okay, we know that 60% of our fib is the manipulation range. Okay, if I know that's a manipulation range, what am I expecting? I'm expecting price to come down lower into this second fair value gap. And you see, they don't dig all the way in there. They just boop, and they out of there. They don't give you a lot of time to enter. So that's why it's important to like know your levels. They don't give you a lot of time to enter, bro. I'm just trying to follow trend and get in at the cheapest contract. Yeah. 50, I appreciate your follow, bro. Alright. Well, hopefully that makes some sense to y'all. Oh yeah, that's a long. Why every time they take me to a time frame, price is already moving? Bro, this isn't the correct entry. The correct entry is what? And this that correct entry. And this is where it get confusing, where like y'all might get lost at where the fib. Cause you might be like, IDK, I thought the buy range, the golden range is the 70, between the 70, 88, whatever. Yeah. But there's also, you also have your zones up here. You got to know how to use your 37 and your 50. Or I don't know the other level they have on there. I don't know if it's like 31, 35, whatever it is. But you also have to understand, like, you got to understand the... I ain't going to teach too much, bro. Whatever, bro. Whatever, bro. I just need to start the mentorship. I see this little pullback here. The real entry would have been down here. I still see them going higher. This is not a trade that you should really take, because if you can't get in close to the real entry, there's no point. Oh, you can't even see the screen. If there's no point, if you can't even get in at the real entry, there's no point in getting in. But since we just back testing, I'll get in there. I get in there. That shit shouldn't come back down. Oh shit. Where'd my order go? But yeah, I would look for this momentum to still be higher. And here you go, boom. Here we go right here. And this is how we catch the re-entry. Oh, my stop loss is almost perfect. I can put it down here to be extra safe. I'll put it here. Then if I was in a real trade, I'd just be like, ooh, I'm in there again. So I enter that bitch again. Then it's like nasty little wipeout. I'm about to enter that joint again. Okay, boom. It gave us another back entry right at our 37. I'm back in there again. This whole range to me is a buy range. I would expect price that first time when you in there first time. I would expect price to just automatically just take off from that range. But if it doesn't, and what I say earlier, trust your move. Trust your move. You have risk management for a reason when you in your actual trade. So feel free to take profit and stuff. But on my swing trades, the lowest I can see them going is to 50%. And what do I say, bro? Trust your move. It's okay to lose. Losing is part of the game. You gonna lose. You're not gonna be 100% every time. But when you lose small. You don't lose a lot. Oh yeah, Price is out of there. Price is not coming back down here. Yeah. Price not coming back down here, bro. Price should be out of there. Price should keep going up. Price shouldn't come back down here at all. It's going back up there. This is an AMD setup. Accumulation, manipulation. I'll be looking for the distribution back higher. Mm, 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 mm. Let me see. I'm just back testing right now. Replay testing. But hopefully, sick. Even just you asking about the flip. Hopefully, you looking and seeing how I get in there and catch these trades. Yeah, bro, this shit. I'm trading Nas right now. What song? The song I just had on. This song? Yeah, yeah, sick. Like I still help out and stuff, but I be helping out too much sometimes. Shit. This. Yeah, most stuff, bro. Most stuff, bro. All right, y'all want to pick a random? Y'all can pick a random. Somebody, please pick like a random ticker, a random symbol. I don't really care. A random date, time, year. It just helps me become a better trader. So I don't really care what it is. What symbol, what we trade crypto for as it don't matter, bro. All right, I'll be right back though. It don't matter. It don't matter. All right. Price still long. Oh yeah. Let's go to a different. Let's do a different. Not break down how to trade. I break down certain portions on how to trade, bro. Mm-mm. Yeah, bro. I need to. I know. I was supposed to create a playlist for for like you put it on my Discord. I just haven't done it yet. I keep that in mind though, bro. I need to. I was supposed to make a playlist a long time ago. I can't share my personal playlist because it's my personal playlist. It got my personal stuff on it, but like I don't know if it's gonna say my name and other stuff on there. So I gotta create a different one. Alright. This is the monthly time frame. Price is still overall bullish. I'm in the air just like your door. Right on, boy. I appreciate it, bro. As long as you vibing, bro, that's all that matters, bro. We took out these higher lows. Prices making higher highs and higher lows. We end up getting some rejection here. This what makes me think price might want to go higher here. Yeah, this is what makes me feel like price is going higher. Oh, price is going higher. I'm in there. I think price going back up. Bro, I know this is just back testing, but like still, like if this even though it's back testing like this, when you have enough capital to even make trades, like just think about it. If you make it if you make enough money consistently to get enough capital to even take trades at this capacity, that's still a crazy blessing. Hold on. Price ain't going up right now. Hold on. It's dropping down some more. Let me make sure my level right. Hold on. Yeah, it is going up. And that's the goal. Just be able to just be consistent, good risk management. Because imagine even just having the capital to take trades at that capacity consistently. Fucking consistently. That's what I'm saying. And that's what we going to be doing. You start small, of course, but once, just think about it, bro. Even just having the capital to even place trades like that. It's crazy. The lowest I feel like it's going to go would be the 50. I wouldn't see it going lower than the 50. One day, bro. One day we gonna really be busting trades like this, bro. One day, bro. I know my strategy worked. It's over. I'm gonna be busting trades like this one day. This shit too easy, bro. We gonna be making niggas whole salary in one trade, bro. This shit too easy, bro. Fine shit, you know you're green and going. I fuck with fine scrying shit. I like a green and going. I got you, secret. This shit just like a green and going. I fuck with fine scrying shit. Yeah. I don't think I. I don't think I can. Uh, uh. Yeah. Yeah. I'm. You might have to go to my YouTube to see my full screen. Yeah. 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 I. Oh, I'm not paper trading. I'm not paper trading. I'm not paper trading. I'm replay trading. No, no, no. The market closed, so I'm just back testing. Yeah. Right on there. Would have ran it up. I appreciate it, bro. Bet. Right on. Running it back. Bro, just 100,000 in one trade, bro. One day, bro. I'm telling y'all, one day, bro. This shit too easy. What's my strategy? My strategy is a mix. It's a mix of ICT, fib, quarter theory, volume profile. It's a mix. Yo, what's good, YF? Doing good, bro. How's it going? I'm trading Nas right now. And feel free, like if y'all like, just feel free to let me know if you want to see me backtest something or trade something. A certain time frame, it don't matter. It just all helps me get better. Did I change my time frame? I don't. Yeah. All right. This move already moving. Yeah, price still long. Yeah. Oh, that's a perfect. Yeah, that's a nice entry. Okay, since this move is already moving, we just got to try to figure out how to catch it. Yeah, the real entry would have been right here. I'm gonna see if they're gonna make an order block. Then I'm gonna catch the re-entry. Right here. All we gotta do is just be patient, bro. Just let the move come to us. Price is overall bullish, so I'm looking for the retracement here. It's a little very. They got a very little FEG here, so I wouldn't be surprised if they boop into this 50 range right here. So what? Okay, I'm gonna try to trust my instincts and trust what I see, and I'm gonna see if I can set a limit order. Can I do that? Can I set limit orders on here? Oh, yes, I can. It gotta come down there though. I want it to come down there. And watch it just keep taking off from here. But I don't want to chase price. I want it down here. If it go up there, it's over. It's already completed. Yeah. Yeah. That move. Dang, that's a good move. The move over, bro. They was about to go to the 96. I trust where it's going though. Damn, that's a great move. Oh, that's the L on that one. Oh, my order never went through. Oh, here we go. Let's see if they gonna give it to us again. Yep, they gave it to us again. Yeah. Hold on. Let me make sure this is the move. It looks like the move. Yeah, it's the move. On they ass, man. Ah. We on they ass, bro. Alright, let's go to another random time frame. Prices overall bullish. Ooh. Wait, did we just trade this? This is 1991. Why does it look like the chart we just traded? I'm going to a different time frame. That look too similar. Prices, oh shit. Price is already bullish. We at all-time highs. All right, so the goal, you just gotta really see how high they gonna try to run price up before they reverse. Creating this order block for the retracement back lower. So if we want to see how high they gonna run price up, we can just run our fib or derivative fib from the high to the low. Ooh. Yeah, they went. Boy, they taking off. Maybe probably get a 400% reversal. I need an order block. I'm not gonna chase that price because you don't know how high it's gonna go. Hold on. Actually, I can tell how high it's gonna go. There you go. Oh, I'm in there. Oh yeah. I like this move better on the monthly actually. Ooh, yeah, we might take this move on a monthly. Instead of taking that move how we had this move on the daily. Wait, what time frame was on? Okay. So instead of taking this move on the weekly, I'm gonna take this move on the monthly. It looked better over here. Don't even come back down there. You don't want to go down there. Come on, dog. This shit too easy, dude. And look, if you want to catch the re-entry, look, they gave it to you again. Look, just look at the fib and look at what they gave it to you again. They gave you the same entry again. You in there again. Look, they giving it to you. They letting you get back in there. They giving it to you again. Oh, they giving it. They gave it to us too. Oh my goodness. I like that. Ooh, they gave it to us again. What's my fib? The money making fib, bro. That real entry is down here. Right at your 30. That real entry. Right in your zone. Oh. Okay. The lowest I would see this was to go would be the 50. So I'm gonna put my stop loss right under this low here. So if they come back down, I'm gonna re-enter that again. So if they wanna take us out, I re-enter it again, then take the long back up. Boom. We gonna get there again. We in there again. Trust your move. Then you in there again, just make even more money. Thank you. I want it, bro. I still see it going longer. I see it. Don't do it. You do not want to come back down there. It know it want to go higher, bro. There's no way. This why I don't like backtesting on TradingView, bro. If you change your time frame, it say it's on my stop loss. $7.19. I'm in there again, bro. Hold on. We about to get even better. Price is still in this sell model on the weekly. Okay. So this is all you gotta. This is how we go do that. I still see it. I still see it longer. Yeah. Yeah. I know I ain't tripping, bro. The problem is this. The problem is on the weekly we're still in this sell model, so we still have to wait for that breakthrough. But I want to play that breakthrough. I want to play that pop through. Yeah. So I want to see a breakthrough, and I will be looking forward to breakthrough because it was at a reversal. We just created a lower high. Yeah. Okay. So boom. So if you want to play smart, you can move your stop loss up, whatever you want to do. hmm So you can be smart and take that. I will be muking price at this level. I'll just be taking profit after profit after profit. Every time, and just keep playing the same little. I just keep playing my little up moves. Because overall, on the higher time frame, it's still in that uptrend. Uh, I'll use it FS replay every once in a while. I really want to be under here. Oh, I really want to be under there. But if you want to play it safe, you can put it like here. Because this whole momentum, I don't see it going lower than a 50. So even if they pull it back to the 50, I would really want to be right here. Just in case they come back down. Because all of this right here is still that buying range. Everything right here. And I'll just be taking profit every time it move up. I want that big move up though. That's what I'm waiting for. It just has to get above here. It gave you an entry on the it gave you an entry on the weekly too. Once it closes up above her, it's out of there. Yep. Price is gone. See ya. See ya. Price is gone. Once it closes out above, it's gone. Yep. Yep. And then if I was in my swing trade, I'll just let it sit. Just let it go. Your open arms. Just get a fire. Just take a drive. Into your hair. They gave you another entry here. Driving me crazy. Oh, look at that. Yep. Boom. Yeah, we on their ass, bro. What a good backtesting session, bro. What a really good backtesting session, bro. Alright. Do y'all want me to look at anything before I get off? If not, I'm about to get off. I'm about to get off. I don't mind backtesting doing one more. NBA is cool. EMA is cool. Especially when you use that mud on your higher time frame. Yeah. Her, I just said, bro. And look, I just saw another trade, bro. This accumulation. What is this? Accumulation. This accumulation, manipulation, lower. This is my last trade before I get off. Okay, so when they do that, when they do that manipulation, they love to go down to like the 113, the 200. Yep, they love to go to the 200, the 113. Let me see if it goes down lower. Ooh. They didn't want to go down lower. I could have entered that right on the 200%. It don't even matter because we in there now. I don't see it going back down there. If it do, we back in there. Bro, we not losing, bro. I appreciate the secrets on me. We not losing. We not losing, bro. Let's fucking get it, bro. We about to run this fucking bag up on top set, bro. Let's fucking get it, dude. Let's fucking get it, bro. Let's fucking get it. And I'm not even using everything. I'm just using the field, bro. We just using the fib. I appreciate it, bro. Yeah, my goal is to be that millionaire, bro. Soon, soon. It's gonna come, bro. How you doing too, Tate? I've been seeing you in here for a minute. Yeah, you finally caught a whole backtesting session of me, Seeker. So you see, you see me, you see it, bro. We got this shit on lock, bro. We are forced to be reckoned with, bro. We about to make this money quick, bro. Yeah, we about to go crazy, bro. Yeah. All right. I'll be ready on Sunday, bro, to look at the charts for sure. Well, it's tomorrow. But all right, I'm about to get up out of here. Nice back testing session. Really, really, really good back testing session. I appreciate all the likes. I appreciate the follows. I appreciate y'all joining. But yeah, Seekers, I'll talk to you, bro. Let's get it, bro. Let's make this fucking money, bro. But all right, peace, 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 peace.